G'day, Internet. Kale from Workato here, inviting you to join me for Product Hour. Product Hour is a chance to focus on the practical. It's a hands-on, interactive deep dive into what you can actually do with Workato and how you can apply a low-code, no-code framework to enterprise problems. We feature a revolving cast of experts, both from our own product and solutions teams and from our customers. You'll see us actually build and run automations. We'll show you how they work, we'll break them, we'll fix them, and we'll answer your questions. Sometimes we'll spotlight particular features of Workato, like how to build, publish, and maintain APIs without code, or how to build custom connectors that your business teams can actually use for themselves. Sometimes we'll dive into a specific use case. Like recently, Amy from Malwarebytes dropped by to show us exactly how she automated the bulk of their usage-based billing. And other times we'll talk about how to create processes and best practices that set you up for success, like creating a real change management process for critical automations outside of traditional developer-only CI/CD tools. It's bi-weekly on Thursdays at 11 a.m. Pacific. Come along, invite your colleagues, invite your loved ones. They want to understand what you do all day. And in the meantime, keep building.